First of all, these small plastic cylindrical rods are used to insert in the circle tray, which can play a role in fixing the position of the whole plate of food. This is an acrylic plastic board. The film on it needs to be torn off before use. This is a silicone plate with films on it. You need to remove the films before using it. Then wash the silicone plate and place it on the acrylic plate. Adjust the position and align the four ends. After placing it, make sure that the silicone plate and the acrylic plate are tightly attached. After cutting, these boards need to be cleaned. After cutting the product, the blade needs to be cleaned. We enter the manual operation interface, click the forward button, and let the blade move to the front. When cleaning the blade with a rag, it is strictly forbidden to point the rag directly at the blade. Just wipe the surface of the blade in order. When cleaning the back of the blade, clean it carefully. This is the cleaning tank fixing pin. Open the cover, scrub the inside of the tank and the tank cover, and wipe it clean. This is the drain pipe. Open the valve, drain the water in the tank, and wipe it with a clean rag after draining. Enter clockwise and counterclockwise to let the blade down to the lowest place. Check the gap between the blade and the tray. We suggest the gap is about 0.5 mm. Check the locking screws of the blades are loose or not. Make sure to tighten them well. And here make sure the blades are in a straight line, and there are gaps between each blade to avoid each cutter interacting with each other. This is lubricating oil. In order to ensure the best working condition of the equipment, it is necessary to add lubricating oil to the moving parts every day, such as guide rails, joint bearings, sliders, etc. In the case of a power outage, check whether the line connector connection, encoder line, etc. are loose or virtual connection, and solve it in time. Here's the electrical cabinet. Press the button hard here, and the door can be opened. In the case of a power outage, check the circuit boards, control lines, etc. for looseness, false connections, and messy phenomena. Solve them in time. Check the cooling fan of the ultrasonic generator. If any fault is found, it should be dealt with in time to avoid equipment damage due to excessive temperature. Check the cleanliness of the surface of the ultrasonic generator and the inside of the entire electrical cabinet every day, and clean it up in time. Monthly check spare parts for motor, reducer, connecting rod, eccentric wheel, etc. This is all the explanation of equipment maintenance. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us.